You ready? Or are you just going to do straight on? You're not going to do time lapse?
The time lapse is right there. It's been going for the whole time.
Oh, is that right? Okay. The ink is Akua Intaglio ink. Water washable and non-toxic. Here I have my little scarecrow plate that I etched. It is made from blister packaging. It is repurposed trash. So then I take this little piece of cardboard and I look for the straightest edge. Looks like, yeah, this one looks the straightest edge. I pick up some of the ink, put the edge of it, and I scrape it into the artwork. Oops, I gotta be careful not to do that. Don't be a klutz like me. And I'm not gonna get it all over the plate just yet. This is the reason for gloves. And I forgot to grab the baby wipes. Then I just set that right there. I grab a paper towel. I'm going to be using this paper towel extensively. Okay, but first I'm going to start out with phone book pages. Oh, but I also want to grab this baby off of this ugly page and move it to the next. Here we go. And we repurpose as much as we can. There we go. I'm going to take one to hold it down. And I'm going to wipe off most of the excess ink that I can with this phone book page. And what will happen as I wipe off the surface, the lines that I etched will hold on to the ink. And I clean up the surface as much as I can. Or maybe I want to leave a little bit of it on there for what is called plate tone. Okay, I'm going to pick it up. You can see, look at it through, you can see I've gotten quite a bit of the ink off of it. Go to the next page. Then I'm going to take a piece of paper toweling. I'm going to take a piece of this phone book page again. And then I'm just going to gently, very gently, with the paper towel, because the paper towels are awesome, very gently wipe the plate. Move to the other side, hold up the paper, so I'm going back in with a clean, or the paper that I'm using to hold it down. And you can look at that, you can see the paper towel's getting most of it off. And now I'm going to fold the paper towel this way and go to another page. I'll flip it over. I'll be a little rougher here because I'm cleaning off the back. And I got the back cleaned off of most of the ink. Flip this over. I'm going to turn the page again. And now got another bit of cleanness on the other side. I'm going to clean up the plate a little more. Very gently I'm wiping this because I don't want to mess up the lines that I etched. And I've got this most of the way clean. Now the other thing I'm going to do is pick it up and I'm going to take the paper towel on another side and I'm going to wipe the edge. This is not cleaning up very good. Let me see something here. It's really holding on, but you want to wipe the edge, and if you look, watch this. When I wipe this edge, see that line? That's ink that got on the edge, and it will print when we put it through the press. So I'm cleaning off as much of the edge as I can. I don't have to worry now because this is not going to come out until I put it through the etching press. But I don't want my fingerprints all over everything. flipping the paper towel around. You can see it soaked through there, so I'm not going to use that side because I want to get it really, really clean on the edges. Okay, now I'm going to set it here. And I'm going to remove my gloves. Wipe my hands off. Okay, now I need to get a clean piece of paper. Take it down. Let's see. Piece of paper. I'm just going to tear it in half. I'm going to tear off this frayed edge. I've got to frayed edge. So I'll just tear it off. Okay, then I'll grab my blue tape. I'm going to tape it to this. I'm going to have to take off a little more of that. Okay, and my blue tape. Where did I put it? It is. I'm going to tape it down. This is to protect the bed of the press, so that's not the press bed. This is to protect this from ink getting transferred to it. So, yeah, and this tape will probably make an impression on our paper, but better the paper than the mess on here. Even though it's water soluble, but each time we do a print on this, we'd have to clean this off every time we did a print. So we're just protecting it now while we can. Now, we go over here to the sink. I'm going to pull the paper from the bottom because that's been soaking the longest. Drip off as much water as possible. And then bring it over here. Lay it down here. Pat it to get most of the water out. Another trick is to take a rolling pin to it. Somewhere out in my studio I have a marble one and I put it away, so. Okay, and pull it out. And I'm going to lay this down here. There I've marked my papers, the front, and see I've marked a B for the back. So I lay that down. There, we are going to get an impression on there. I'm going to turn this upside down on here. Let's see, I'm going to try to center it as much as possible. Though I want just a tad bit at the bottom extra to leave for signature. There we go. The paper is 5 by 7. I'm going to take another piece of this. I'm going to take another piece of this paper. I'm going to trim it just a little bit. Again, because we will get bleed through when we print this. So we do this. I'm going to move this up a little bit. Lay this on top. Put this soft one on there. actually designed for embossing, but we're going to use it for this. And then I'm going to set it for see. This is die cut. Thinner paper is the shorter line, thicker paper. So we're going to start with thin paper because everything is thin. Okay. I'm going to bring it through. I can feel now it tightens up and it's a little harder to turn it. Now, oh, I'm sure I got something good because I can see a lot of lines here. So I'm going to lift this up and look at that. Let me turn it around. And now you can see the image and the plate. And that is an etching done on a crafter's die cutting machine. So crafters and hobbyists have made it possible for artists and professionals to get quality art making materials at an affordable price. I love hobbyists.